All right, folks, look at what we've got here. I'm up here at John's Garage in Wake Forest, Youngsville area, not too far from my place. And he's got a 1968, it's a customer's car, it's a 1968 Chevelle SS. Check that out now. Now this, obviously, this car needs to be restored. So it's got a 454 in it right now, and obviously didn't come with that. And I think the motor's needing to be rebuilt. So he brought it up here to have John rebuild the motor. And you know, I don't know if you guys know, if you've tried to build any motors like this, it was for a while they're a little hard to get parts because of the pandemic, but I think that's improving. But she's definitely got a couple of issues here and there, especially up on that front fender. But this is very fixable. This is a very, very, very restorable car here. I've always loved the styling of these cars. I like the 68, 69s. And the small lights, small bumpers, small quarter window. I just like the way they did that. Pretty cool looking old car. This car's got a halfway decent body on it. Let's see if I can tell. I don't want to open the door or anything. It's automatic on the column. Automatic on the column. You can put a 4-speed in this one. Yeah, he's got the 454 in it. They're going to rebuild that. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Yeah, I was driving by here and I saw this sitting here and I said, let me stop in here and see if John let me video. He's pretty good about letting me video the cars he's working on. Look at it. It's like an old Grant steering wheel from the 80s or 70s. It's got a little surface rust on it. Clean that up. It's period correct stuff. I like that kind of stuff on these cars. All right, folks, let me turn you loose.